2016 Dodge Charger V6, 3.6 liter. A baby Charger, but they still sound good. Well, we got done on it for you guys. It's not a Hemi, you know, but it's okay. Got stock converters there and there. Then it's got a Y pipe on it, set up into a single, you want to call it resonator, muffler. I call them mufflers, but everybody calls them resonators. Some people call them mufflers. Whatever you guys want to do. And then it Ys back out. It's 2.5. Ys out to 2.25. And we did 2 rear muffler deletes or resonator deletes, depending on your preference. There and there. We always like to keep the resonator or muffler in the middle. It just gives it a really nice deep tone. You can always swap it out for something else. Or you've seen probably on our channel where we true dual it also. We can true dual it also and give it a really nice distinctive sound. You heard it, I don't know if you heard it on our channel or not. We have a couple on there. But I hope you guys like it. So we'll let you guys hear it. It gives it a nice deep tone. Let you guys hear it in a second. Here it is. Sound decibels. Again. About 93 when it peaked. This is what we cut off of it, the 2 mufflers. All right, go ahead and back it up. Charger RT V6. Still pushing, I think over 300 horse, so. Not too bad, it's nice and deep tone. Nothing drastic, just a clean sound for a V6. Yeah, I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger V6.